Mweri-inĩ wa gatatu mwaka uyu bunge 13 ni yacenjirie gicunjĩ kia 25 kia mawatho na mitaratara ya bunge ya bururi na gukinyaniria o wa gatatu wa minista ni marikinyagia mbere ya bunge no gucokia ciuria. Minista wa Mai Alice Wahome, Minista wa Migunda na waki wa nyumba Zakaria Njeru, hamwe na Minista wa Uruti Wira Florence Bore, umuthi ni mauma na giathi na abunge, no Florence Bore ndaiga na gwikinyia.
People who are in the executive who previously were in this house, like this particular honorable lady, once they cross to the executive, they acquire some holier than life, bigger than life status.
Speaker, let me disclose, I've just spoken to her on phone, and she's telling me she was going to inaugurate a board of NITA, National Industrial Training, something that she can reschedule within her own ministry. But the House sittings cannot be rescheduled to suit the whims of cabinet secretaries.
Ni undu wonekanite kuraraka mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini KIMANI ICHUNG'WA akiuga guku ni kwagira gitio bunge hamwe na muingi uria Bore ehokeirwo gutungatira miario ya ICHUNG'WA ikinyitwo mbaru ni mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini ya bururi Opiyo Wandayi.
Make it clear as a house that we shall not allow any cabinet secretary, however powerful you think you are, however mighty you may perceive yourself, to hold the people's representatives with contempt and the institution of parliament. We will do whatever it takes, Honorable Speaker, and all members of the cabinet know what it can take to protect the constitutional mandate of this house and of parliament.
You must understand that apart from being answerable to the appointing authority, you are squarely answerable to this house. And if this house invites you, everything else can wait. In fact, must wait.
Kurigana na irua riake akienda gikaro giki gitirio nginya wa gatatu kiumia giukite, Bore augite ari icira-ini riake wira mwena wa gicua-ini gitumi kiria ICHUNG'WA ageire urito.
As you have said, this letter is just not casual, but very contemptuous of the house. And it must be clear to all our cabinet secretaries that they don't appear before the National Assembly or before Parliament as a favor to anybody. They appear before these elected representatives of the people to be accountable to the people of Kenya.
Aminista matiganite mathingatitwo gwikinyagia mbere ya abunge niguo gutamburukia makiria mibango ya ministry iria marugamiriire, ICHUNG'WA akirutira mukana aria mategutia ciikaro ici.
And this is behavior that we must not tolerate, so that it serves as a warning shot to others, as they used to say in Vioja mahakamani, kwa wengine walio na nia kama yake.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
Is very, very important, and I